Hello everyone, this is Vikas. Welcome back to Legendary Coding with Vikas. So guys, today we are going to discuss what is JVM. So let's start our today's session, guys. So guys, in JVM we are going to cover what is JVM in Java, different components of JVM, and difference between JVM, JRE, and JDK, guys. To complete all these things, at least I'll take 2 to 3 days. So let's start our today's session, guys. So in today's session, I am going to cover what is JVM in Java, guys. So before going to discussing JVM, guys, let me tell you one thing. So guys, as we all know that I have already discussed about compilation and running. So we all know that after successful compilation, a dot class file will be generated, guys. Okay, and that dot class file consists of bytecode instruction, guys. As we all know that a dot class file consists of bytecode instruction and which is understandable only by the machines, guys. We human cannot understand that bytecode instruction. So in our scenario, that machine is JVM, guys. Okay, so what is JVM? So guys, JVM is nothing but it's a machine, guys, which is reside in our computer, and the basic function of JVM is to execute the dot class file, guys. So guys, JVM is going to check our dot class file consists of bytecode instruction is correct or not, guys. If our bytecode instruction dot class file is correct, then it will provide a output. Otherwise, it will provide error, guys. Okay. So this is JVM, guys. So let me write. So guys, what is JVM, guys? JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine, guys, and which is reset in our computer. So what is the basic function of JVM? JVM is check our dot class file, guys, correct or not. If the dot class file is correct, then we will be getting an output, and if our dot class file is wrong, then we will be getting an exception, guys. Okay. Now, what is our second question, guys? What happen internally when we compile a Java code, guys? So as we all know that to run a Java code, we need to do two tasks, guys. First one is compilation, and second one is running, guys. So guys, after writing our code, we are trying to compile our code, guys. Okay, so how can we know our compilation is successfully done, guys? So after successful compilation, a dot class file will be generated, and that dot class file consists of bytecode instruction which is understandable only by the machines, and in our scenario that machine is JVM, guys, and that dot class file work as a input of JVM, guys. JVM take that dot class file as a input and check that dot class file consists bytecode instruction, then that bytecode instruction is correct or not. If that bytecode instruction is correct, then we will be getting an output, and if the bytecode instruction is wrong, then we will be getting an exception, guys. So let me write. So guys, what happen internally when I compile a Java code? So whenever we are compiling our Java program with the help of command java c file name.java, guys. So as you all know that the command for compilation, guys, java c and the file name of java.java extension, guys. Okay. After that, Java compiler will go to compile our Java program. After successful compilation, it will generate a dot class file. As you all know that after successful compilation, a dot class file will be generated. The generated dot class file consists of bytecode instruction, and that bytecode instruction is understandable only by the machines, and in our scenario that machine is JVM, guys. So in order to run our Java program, we need to provide the generated dot class file as an input to the JVM, guys. I've already told that JVM take our dot class file as an input, and with the help of command java generated dot class file name java space generated dot class file name, guys. After successful compilation, a dot class file will be generated, and that dot class file we need to provide here, guys. So java space generated dot class file name. Okay. Now JVM check all the bytecode instruction present in our dot class file. So as you all know that dot class file consists of bytecode instruction, and JVM check that bytecode instruction. Okay. So guys, if the dot class file, I mean bytecode instruction is correct, then we'll be getting an output, or if the dot class file is wrong, then we'll be getting an exception, guys. So guys, this is for today. I hope video आपको समझ में आ रहा हो. So guys, in next session we'll try to cover the different components of JVM, and after that session, in next session we'll try to cover the difference between JVM, JRE and JDK, guys. So I hope video आपको समझ में आ रहा हो. अगर वीडियो समझ में आ रहा हो, वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा हो, तो वीडियो को एक लाइक करें, चैनल को एक सब्सक्राइब करें. तो चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में, गाइस. तब तक के लिए बाय.